fuck around when you get ready to battle. Yeah, what do you know about battle wounds and midnight fights and bar saloons? People running when they hear the Powerhouse tune. Sometimes you gotta be the goons of goons from June to June. The most dangerous man in TV. It's not because of the people I slay. It's because I drive 150 on the expressway each and every day. Churchill 5P, repping the Westport Street, being part of the league. People fuck around, you have to lay the beat. Live is the beat. This is not a meet and greet, you gotta be quick on your feet. Not very people know that I'm real. Most think I'm a legend, except for Danny and Neil. They got my back and that's just the deal. Fuck with us and prepare to be killed. Break your face and I'll break your nose. I don't care about these badass hoes and their trampy clothes. It's about having goals and paying my tolls. People say I'm way out of control. Shut the fuck up before I swallow you whole. Like fat people eat egg rolls out of Chinese bowls. I fucked multiple bitches, but I fucked up multiple bitches who had multiple wishes. I don't hear any more multiple disses. Like a mobster, you be swimming with the fishes. And I get your girl's kisses. Go ahead, talk like a model and walk like a model. So what your face can look like when I break it with a bottle. Just ask Kelly. I broke him and his brother like a bitch named Shelly. And we can't forget about Dean Shelly. He fucks young girls and R. Kelly. I beat his ass to jelly. 40 stitches later, he's trying to apologize on the telly. Have you ever felt pain or seen a blood stain or opened up somebody's brain with a police cane? I went toe to toe with Matt Tremaine. Called himself the train, had his ass running down memory lane. You think life is scary? Tried doing 4 years in the military. Nick McPherson dropped out after 3 days. What a fucking fairy. Eddie Olsen. I remember him yapping and boasting. 2 minutes later I had him roasting. Straight west coasting. I demand respect. I'm like a virus ready to infect. I can't be in check. I walk a fine line with no safety net. I'm the first one in and the last one to jet. When I'm with my dogs, sell beers and cheers. But when I'm in the rain, there's no fears, only blood, sweat, and tears. The Powerhouse has too many gears. I'll whoop your ass faster than cops and queers. We'll see who'll be shedding tears when the Mac nears. Training while under house arrest. Gaining knowledge and pounds on my chest. You're put to the test. Strive for the best and nothing less. This is a Powerhouse conquest. Here, nearly near, the Powerhouse. Out.